On the Alpha and the Omega, says the Lord God, who is, who was, and who is to come, the Almighty. Revelations 1, verse 8.
Hey fam bam, it's me, Juslonda. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam bam? Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, Juslonda. And I did participate in the VIP sale. So if you want to see what I bought, I wasn't able to try out things. I was going to do a try on as well as do show you what's in the haul, but I'm pressed for time, so I'm just going to do this haul. So let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. Okay, so like I said, I did participate in the VIP sale, and I did get to swatch one thing, but I'll hold that to the end. So the first thing I was peeping this for a moment, right? And I was like, I'm going to wait until it comes on sale. And I wanted to try it. It is the Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. I chose the color 12. When I did swatch it, I did like it. It does seem like it's a bit of a watery base to it, so I'm telling you, they'll be trying to steal your joy, you hear me? You unscrew the top, and then this is what I got. And I typically like to match my chest and everything, and I love the golden tint to it. So number 12 seemed like it's going to be all right. And because I can see my freckles, I think it's going to be a good choice. Yeah, I feel like it's going to be a good choice. If not, I'll make it work. Along with the Danessa Myricks number 8. I already had this. This was out. This is just what I have on my face right now. So I think between these two, it might be a match made in heaven. So I think that will work out for me. So anyone can participate in the Sephora 30% off. So I picked up the Sephora highlighter in Nightfall. I did swatch it in store, and I have not opened this yet. So give me a second. Because I wasn't going to buy any more highlighters, but I'm like, dang it. I'm still in South Carolina. I need another highlighter. So these two look really pretty. And they're really creamy. So I really did like those. And it was so funny because I was going to get the McGrath Nectar Venus, I think that's what it's called, but these two are really cute, so that kind of took place of it. I also picked up two of the Sephora's what are these called? I probably shouldn't have on my glasses when I'm trying to read up close. The Sephora Rouge Lacquer, and I got the color 16 Girl Crush and 15 Not Your Baby. Now it's so funny because these are really, really close together. Okay, so it is a packaging on it. Just one is more of a baby doll pink versus one is more of a darker pink. So with a lip liner, you know I love Sephora's lip liner molasses. So this one is Girl Crush. That's so cute, I love it. And then Not Your Baby. Okay. And Not Your Baby. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I know y'all, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that they're not. You can't tell the difference, but you really can. I promise you, you can. They're so cute. One's more of a younger version than the other. That's the way I can explain it. Put my glasses back on because I don't have any makeup. Well, I do have a makeup, but you know. So let me stick to the script. Hold on. I did want to try the Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter by Rare Beauty, and I got, what is this? Accelerate. Yeah, Accelerate. Right? So I went on ahead. This feels so soft and so silky. And that color though, I am all into it. I'm telling you, it just makes me feel some kind of way. I love highlighters. I love makeup, period. It makes me happy. Pardon me. It brings me joy. So that's what I got there. And then I didn't really get much now that I'm thinking about it. So y'all made me buy this because I wasn't going to buy it. Y'all made me buy this. I was not, it was really not on my radar, but y'all talked so highly of it. I bought it. I haven't used it yet. I haven't swatched it yet. I don't know what to think of it. I just know I got it because of y'all. And I don't know what to think about it. It has like a boxy smell to it. But I can't wait to see. I hope I don't regret it. But yeah. Y'all made me do this. Y'all made me get this. And then because I was waiting on this, I was waiting for it to come out, and then I'm like, yeah, I actually swatched these. They are really nice. The finishes are really nice. They fit some of the shimmers or chunky bits, but like once you swatched it out, like once I only swatched them. So once I laid it down, like it has like a big thick part, but then when I, you know, drag my finger along, it kind of smoothed out. So that makes me think that is highly pigmented. Also, some of these cool tones are not as cool tones as I think, and I am here for it. I cannot wait to put it on my eye. I did, like I said, I did swatch it because I was going to play in these things, but because I am pressed for time, I just can't. But yeah, I'm ready to work on this. And this is mirrored, so that's cute. Yeah, I'm feeling all the vibes. So the last two items that I got is actually, I got them from, which is stupid. No, it's not stupid. One of them is stupid, but nevertheless. So the last two items I did get from Ulta. However, because of the sale, I had some money in Ulta, you know, those redeemable points. So I had a few bucks, and I know I'm not going to really buy stuff on Ulta. So I went on ahead and I bought these two items. So this I swatched at in Ulta, and this son of a thing is so flippin' pigmented. You hear me? I like it, and it has staying power to it too. I mean, I'm not a person to shenanigans. I'm not a person to there it goes. I'm not a person to I don't even know what I want to say now because it took me so flippin' long to open the pencil. I'm not one to buy like a whole bunch of expensive pencils because they're pencils, but this is nice. And I did it lightly because It's so cute. I kind of feel like someone used it already. I could be wrong. Like, are they supposed to come like this? I don't know. I feel like I need to take this back. Like, there's no, look at it. Like, I feel like, is it supposed to look like that? I feel like it shrunk or something. So I got that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see about that. But I do like the color. That intense black it's really black, it's really dark. So I like that. I'm on my clownery stuff. I bought the Pat McGrath mahogany. What is it? Mahogany bronze. It's the mahogany bronze. Now, if you're not familiar, I did do a de-influence, and I'll leave it there. I'll link it there so you can see it. However, I was going by what her chart was saying, and her chart was saying to get whatever color that I chose. However, when I went into Ulta, I was surprised to see that Ulta had these, and I swatched it. I still don't like the packaging, but the color, because you know I am a sucker for bronzers. I feel like this is the same one I had before. Bronze without caution. Okay. Bronze mahogany bronzer. Okay, so it is. But the color of it, and you know I love a good color. Oh, you can't even see it. Hold on. That's so much better than what I got. What I got, it was more of a face tone color versus, so I think she needs to go back to the drawing board when it comes to the actual colors. I think she needs something deeper than this, because this is only going to fit someone that's my complexion and maybe a smidge darker. Anything darker, it's not gonna work. It really isn't. And because it's your girl's birthday coming up, she did get her birthday stuff. And I did choose to get the Patrick Ta, what is this, travel size, Major Glow Illumination Gel and Major Glow Lip Shine. It's a little duo. Okay, maybe not. I thought it was. Yes, it is. Okay. So yeah, it's something travel size, because I am on my travel stuff right now. And because I can't see that. Oh, one says clear, so this is the clear, and then this one is, she's expensive. Can I see it with my glasses on? Nope, I cannot see it with my glasses on. I can definitely see it without my glasses on. All right, so she's expensive. So, whoops. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me get a little bit more. Okay. And I see all the sparkles in it. This is a cool tone lip color. Has a cute little smell to it, but I can't tell if it's everything else. Oh, this is brow stuff. Shameful. Shameful. Okay. And brow. Okay. Did I read that and know that? I did. I did. But it went over my head. I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed. I'm only human. I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed. So yeah, this is what I bought from the Sephora. I did get some extra goodies, like the freebie stuff. I wish they put these in like little sample tubes. Stop doing this. Stop doing this. But I got this. This is the Cosa Reveal Concealer and the So Blown Clean Blurring Primer with collagen. So yeah, I didn't really do a lot of damage because I kind of was picking up the stuff that I had already wanting. If something had caught my eye, I bought it. So it really wasn't a big haul. Now, the funny thing about it is, you know, I am not a perfume person, but I went to Sephora and I smelled that. It smells good. I am pissed that it does not come in different sizes because I am not a perfume person and I cannot spend $100 and something on some perfume. But I might have to. So tell me what y'all got, because I know I didn't do a lot of damage. Like I said, I was purchasing stuff throughout the year. Your girl was doing her content. She was on her job, you hear me? But it was only just the stuff that I really wanted to get. So let me know what y'all got. Let me know your thoughts on the stuff that I got. And if I need to take something back, let me know too. Just saying. So on that note, fam, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz to make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.